Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. Today we are going to drawing and coloring cute wild animals for kids using square, crocodile, giraffe, and tiger. Let's start drawing. First I draw a crocodile. Step 1. I draw a square to draw his face. Then I draw 2 circles to draw the crocodile's eyes. I continue with his mouth and his teeth. Draw his cheeks and his nose. Then I draw his hands. His hands are holding an apple phone. Next to him, I draw a giraffe, starting with a square. Then draw the giraffe's eyes. Draw 2 big circles. Next, I draw his nose and his smiling mouth. Then, I draw his 2 ears, his horns, and his neck. Do you know, because of its long neck, giraffes can eat fruits and leaves from high places. Finally, I draw a tiger. Step 1. I draw a square. Then I draw his ears. I continue with his eyes and a big mouth. Draw his long tongue. Then draw his 4 legs and his tail. Do you know, how does a tiger sound? Yes, hero or guru. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this drawing more visible. Now let's start coloring. First, I use pink, green, and gray to paint a crocodile. Next, I color a giraffe with yellow, orange, pink, and cream. Finally, I color a tiger orange. Light brown. Pink for his mouth. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.